I think Healthy Liverpool is a really good environment for us to look at the way we've worked historically. And I think particularly in the hospital sector, we've got a lot of hospitals in Liverpool which we're really proud of and are doing some phenomenal work. But I think historically what we've done is perhaps had organisations that have been built to grow, and they've been built to sort of develop their own services. And medicine's changed hugely and people's expectations have changed hugely. And I think now is the time where each organisation has maybe sort of taken a pause and reflected and said, what's more important is actually not what each doctor needs or which each department needs or which each hospital needs, but what is the city's requirements. And I think it's been really refreshing to allow colleagues across the city to actually sort of take a bit of a pause and a bit of reflection and say, let's work actually for the benefit of the city. And so there's lots of examples that we're working with across the city, and I think the one that we're really encouraged about is major trauma. So if you're really unfortunate to have an accident in the city, what perhaps traditionally used to happen is that you were taken to your nearest hospital. But because of the expertise that we've grown in the hospitals, what we've realised, and this is not just in Liverpool but nationally, that actually if you have all the services concentrated in a specific site, then actually if you take the patient perhaps not to their nearest hospital but to the hospital where the right service is, you can get the really great outcomes and really great patient experience. And that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we've got some really good evidence that hospitals like the Royal and Aintree and the Walton Centre, by working collaboratively on the benefits for patients rather than the benefits of the organisation, we can have really transformative hospital care. And so there's numerous examples like that in the city, and that's the sort of ethos and the spirit of Healthy Liverpool that we're trying to sort of work with and trying to encourage across the city.